Hi, I'm May. I am the founder of What If It Works, and I help women who are starting out on their business journey, typically in the first 2 or 3 years of their business, and help them to grow and build their business that is sustainable and to make more money. I am enrolled on Scale to 5K, and yeah, it was amazing, so good. I totally recommend. The course is fantastic. It covers a lot of ground. You will really get a good sense to embed yourself in your business. It's fantastic. The support from Meghan is fantastic. She's amazing. Great to have her on hand for questions. And yeah, her knowledge is fantastic. She really gives thought to her responses. Having the Slack community is fantastic. That is such a lifeline to have a group of women who are in a similar position to you, who are dealing with the same issues, who know where you're coming from and have your back. Is such a beautiful space, and that is what Meghan creates with this program. So I'd 100% recommend it. I'd say it's a really nice container. I'd say that you will learn a lot, and yeah, I'd 100% recommend. So if you're thinking about it and you are stuck on the sales page and you're humming and hawing, then go for it. You won't regret it. Take care. Bye.